Hello, welcome to one more video. Now we are in Vlakovo Ilidža, house for sale on 1300 square meter land. This is land, this is for some animals. This fence, you see, here is the fence, and here up you see the fence. This is also small object for chickens, like you can see it. Small object for chickens. These are neighborhoods, that you can see it better. This is the fence from another side, like you can see. This is some storage place, and for animals you can use it. You see there is fence, goes up all the way. These are fruits, apples. This is the house, 3-floor house, 2-floor house, sorry, with terrace, like you can see it. Here is.
Ovo je ranije bilo malo, ovo sad nema ovdje, ovo sad nema široko pozadnje i ovo ovdje nema. I na ovo do ovdje, vidite? To, ali...
See?
Ano, ja bih tehniku vrati.
You see, even now you have apples here, because it's sunny side. You see this wall, this is for parking space, and this is from this side. You see this is the fence, these trees there. You see it, here is parking space. This is entrance. This is fence, like you can see. You see to the end there, and here you see here. This is road to here. Asphalt road. So this is the house. You see a really nice terrace here. One apartment down, one apartment up, and this is storage and for heating system, for water, everything. Like you can see, everything is here. So all infrastructure is here. For more information, more videos, subscribe. You have my number in description. See, this 1300 square meter and house. Thank you very much. See you next video.